Hey Legal, how's it going? I'm Yash, the site organic marketing head at LawyerThenX.com, an exclusive marketing agency for law firms. In this video, I'll be talking about on-page optimization for your law firm. First of all, let's talk about on-page SEO, what exactly that is. In layman's term, it is optimizing the text and structure of a page within your website. Now you might be thinking, hey, isn't it obvious that optimization would be done on my own website? Here is the thing. SEO has lots of variables and parts. One part is on-page SEO, another is off-page, which is basically getting mentions from other websites. But here's key. We are gonna focus mainly on page in this video, and I'll be talking about the other stuff in another part. Let's talk a bit about why is it important. See, on page is like half of the battle. If you do it right, you will win at SEO and eventually get tons of cases. Imagine this. A potential client in your area is searching for legal help online. They type in best personal injury lawyer near me, obviously on Google. Now, if your website isn't optimized for that search, there's a good chance they will never ever see your firm's name. Instead, they will find one of your competitors who has optimized their website. That's lost time and potentially a lost revenue. On-page SEO ensures that when people are searching for the services you offer, your website is visible to them. It's about being in the right place at the right time. And with legal field being so competitive, you can't afford not to be. Now let's talk about how you can do it. I'll break it into steps for you that you can easily follow. So this is an example of a great on-page. This, by the way, this is the Bernays firm, one of the biggest legal firm in the US. First and foremost, one is finding a main keyword for each page. Keywords are basically the terms your potential clients are searching for. Personal injury lawyer, Brooklyn, or family law attorney XYZ city, criminal defense lawyer in XYZ city. Now your each page on the site is dedicated to one main keyword and then related keyword. For instance, homepage might focus on personal injury attorney in Kansas City if you just search one location. Your related keyword might be personal injury attorney near Kansas City, lawyer in Kansas City, stuff like that. If you see this particular law firm itself, they have a lot of pages, right? And if you see this, they have one main keyword for each of their pages. For instance, personal injury lawyer Brooklyn for this one, personal injury lawyer fellow for another one, and stuff like that. I hope that makes it. Now the thing is to utilize these keywords in your page. Let's talk about the main areas that you need to utilize the keyword. First, meta description and meta title. If you search this on Google, and you would be able to see this. If you see personal injury lawyer, this is what meta title is, and this is meta description. Okay, these are like your website's business card in search results. A well-crafted title tag and meta description can be the difference between someone clicking on your link or scrolling past. And remember, every click is an opportunity for a new client. Here's how this works in practice. If your page is about personal injury law, your title tag might be experienced personal injury lawyer in XYZ city, free consultation, stuff like that. This tells the potential client exactly what you offer and encourages them to visit your site. Second, headings. Let me show you what heading is. Heading is basically the overall structure of a page that's visible to Google. Here, if you see, they have got each one is the biggest or major title in a page. That is each one, heading 1. Then you have got heading 2, then 3, that is heading 3. Further, you can use, they are not useful enough. Okay, what you need to do is you need to use keywords and related phrases in your heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. Okay, this is the basic stuff. Now let's talk about content of it. It's the most single important thing on your website. It is what defines you, your company, your culture. Show it all via the content. Don't put that generic shit on the website. Get something unique in there, things that define you, your company. Talk about what you do, why you're different than any other law firm. For instance, if you check this, they have got some data over here, another data here. This makes them unique. This is why a viewer should choose them over any other law firm in that area. Okay, have an introduction about each attorney in your firm. The list is endless. Okay, when potential clients find valuable information on your site, they're more likely to see you as an expert and reach out to you. Plus, Google rewards website with well-structured, relevant content. So it's a win actually. Now coming up to another super important one: overall design, mobile friendliness, and conversion rate optimization. While this doesn't directly impact rankings, it indirectly does, and does majorly. Not just that, it hugely impacts the amount of conversion on your site as well. Starting with design, just look at this website. Think it as a user. Do you like it? In most of the cases, you would say yes. Why? Because they have got consistent branding, consistent colors, a great logo, a really good call to action over here and here. This makes them a really good brand. Okay, the same thing applies to you. Starting with design, you need to have a design which people relate to. Colors you choose, logo, and overall brand branding of the site is the majority part of it. This is an example of a really good law firm website. If you want to have a look at this, just go to thebernaysfirm.com and take some inspiration from this and maybe implement that on your own website. Now make sure your website is looking good. Now make sure your website is looking good on mobile, as majority of clicks are gonna be from the mobile itself. Okay, for instance, if you look at this website, it is looking pretty good on mobile. They've got a free case evaluation over here, and that's all that you want. Now another important one, that is conversion rate optimization. Okay, now this is an example of why you need to optimize your website for conversion rate. For instance, before SEO, if your ad spend was $10,000 and that was bringing, let's say, visitors, and 5 of them were becoming clients. Now if your ad spend is same, you are bringing in same amount of traffic, twice the amount of viewers will become your paying clients. Why is that? Because when you implement conversion rate optimization, you actually direct your viewers what action they need to take, why they need to take it, because you are superior than any other law firm in your area, and what is in it for them. Okay, that's pretty simple. So that was all for today's video. I hope you like this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to answer that. Again, if you need any help in law firm marketing, book a call with us using the link given in the description and pinned comment. I'll see you on the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.